is coming. And I came here to tell all of you to hold on. Change is coming. Don't worry about a thing. And although it's not my song, Blackness made the song, I'm honoring them tonight. So you can turn on the instrument. I told y'all I will not keep y'all on. If you know this song, you can clap, you can sing along. I need backup anyway. Join in.